When you see yellow stains on a toilet seat, there's no need to replace it. You can easily remove these stains using simple household products. Start by locating the button or mechanism to release the toilet seat and remove it. Place the seat in a bathtub or shower stall and lightly spray it with water to moisten the surface. Generously sprinkle baking soda on the stains. It acts as a gentle abrasive, helping to lift stubborn stains and grime. Follow with some citric acid to tackle mineral deposits and yellow discoloration effectively. Both citric acid and baking soda are safe on surfaces like plastic and ceramic. Pour vinegar over the baking soda and citric acid. The reaction between these ingredients will loosen dirt and grime. Vinegar enhances the cleaning effect, breaking down fats and minerals. Use a long-handled brush to scrub the seat thoroughly until the stains vanish. This mixture not only cleans but also disinfects, reducing bacteria on the seat. Once done, wipe the seat dry with a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining cleaner residue. Reinstall the toilet seat and enjoy a spotless, refreshed surface without stains.